अच्छा बच्चों, आपको याद है ना कल हमने किया था A says A, B says C says the, D says the. These are the sounds of letters I know. E says F says G says H says These are the sounds of letters I know. I says E, J says jump, K says ka, L says la. These are the sounds of letters I know. M says ma, N says na, O says on, P says ba. These are the sounds of letters I know. मेरे साथ जोर से गाइए. A says A, B says ba, C says da, D says da. These are the sounds of letters I know. E says F, F says fa, G says ga, H says ha. These are the sounds of letters I know. I says E, J says jump, K says ka, L says la. These are the sounds of letters I know. M says ma, N says na, O says on, P says ba. These are the sounds of letters I know. शाबाश. Q की आवाज होती है क्व. Q says क्व. R की आवाज होती है र. R says र. S की आवाज होती है स. S says स. और T की आवाज होती है ट. T says ट. अब आप मेरे साथ बोलिए. Q says क्व. R says र. S says स. T says ट. अब हम इसको गाते हैं. Q says क्व, R says र, S says स, T says ट. These are the sounds of letters I know. मेरे साथ जोर से गाइए. Q says क्व, R says र, S says स, T says ट. These are the sounds of letters I know. Very good. एक बार और. हाँ. Q says क्व, R says र, S says स, T says ट. These are the sounds of letters I know.